Okay, for practice exercise 8.6, this is for the Friedman test. We want to see whether anxiety, if it was measured on an ordinal scale, changed over time. We're going to go to Analyze, Non-Parametric Tests, Related Samples. We are going to, for fields, move our 3 anxiety measures at 3 different points in time to the test fields. Under Settings, we are going to customize the tests and manually choose the Friedman test with all pairwise comparisons. When we run it, we will get output that looks like this. This is a significant result. Remember, 0.000 is just less than 0.001. It's rounded. This is significant though. The test value is 20.694, and it gives you several useful graphs. One of the distribution of the ranks, but then also the actual pairwise comparisons, showing you that 1 hour was different from the pretest, 4 hours was different from the pretest, but 1 hour was not different from 4 hours. Again, many useful graphs here.